Can I get my check engine light checked for free? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Well, you can certainly probably get somebody to check the codes for you for free. Shoot, I'll even do it for you if you'd like. But the problem is we have to understand what a trouble code that's stored in the system actually is. I usually refer to it as it's kind of like a zip code. So if you give me your zip code, I have an idea of where you live, but I don't necessarily get to your house. I have to have some more information. I have to have your address so that I can know exactly what street you're on and what house you're in. And so it's kind of the same thing with codes. They can, first of all, they can be false. We have another video on that. And then secondly, they can give us a direction to go in, but we have to do other testing and get more information to find out exactly what the problem is. So I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.